Hey, what's up mga bossing? Samahan nyo akong itry itong beat string acoustic guitar bigay ng Clifton. Try natin to sa Sunday worship. If okay ba? Let's go! Nandito na tayo sa simbahan. Mag-uumpisa na ang praise and worship. It's okay naman siya mga bossing, and napakaganda ng kanyang sound quality, and it's perfect for Sunday worship simbahan nyo. And kung wala ka pa nito, just check out the Yellow Basket. Perfect for beginners or intermediate player. Napakaganda ng kanyang sound quality and napakagaan. Hindi ka mahirapan na lumundag habang nagpupuri sa Panginoon. And this was a budget guitar na perfect for your music ministry.